Good evening, everyone. It is February 15, 2017. We are doing, yet again, another person in the box for the superstar, rockstar Nick K in the YouTube stream. He bought out basically this entire case of Premier Hockey. This 2015-16 Premier Hockey. Right there. Alright, I'll sign the tin. If it's not signed, I'm going to sign it right now. And I'll even throw in this. I'll even throw in this that's even worth more, Nick K. You'll be getting one of these. That is my rookie card.
Whoa.
Look at that. No one's ever gotten one before. So that's even better. Because it's like one of those like cheaper Bowman's. You know, Bowman's cards where... Am I going to have to rip a piece of my shirt and put that into a card?
Jersey card.
Do I have a gold one? I don't think it's going to work. It is signed! There it is! Signed by Jason Jaspy. Right in the top corner. We made it. Like, we made it. Alright, Nick. Good luck, man. Rookie Premier Jersey, Robbie Fabry. For the St. Louis Blues. More Premier, you say? You hear that, dear? Nicholas Patan, 275 of 399. Oh man, you guys are so funny. They say they have more Premier. Ryan Hartman, rookie premieres, 37 of 399. Ryan Miller, 122 of 399. Alright, next one is a rookie premier auto patch. That's Brendan Gaunce, 351 of 375. Next one. Oh, I thought that was Connor McDavid for a second. Look at that mega patch chest logos. Ryan Nugent Hopkins, 18 of 24. Older fans will buy this up in a heartbeat. Rookie Premier Jersey, that's Jack Eichel. And a Premier Materials, Jason Spezza, 166 of 199. And you'll get 6 more of these. So we'll add these to the break so you guys can see what kind of stuff comes out of here. Tolchinsky, Kyle Connor next in line. Lekkonen, Oliver Bjorkstrand, blue rookie. I don't want it to end, Nick K. Sam Reinhart. Mantha, next in line. Whoa. Whoa. Braden Point next in line. Hudson Fashion. That's 34 of 99. And Christian Dvorak next in line. Well, there you go, Nick. Thanks for getting that personal box. Added some free packs because you basically bought out the whole personal case. Thanks for watching here at JaspysHockeyLand.com. I'm Jason. I'll see you guys next time.